Let's check out the new 8BitDo Ultimate 2C wireless controller, and this over here probably is easily one of the best, very affordable wireless gaming controllers you can currently get. Also, if you are looking to get this controller, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use to get this controller for absolutely crazy price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and I literally paid only around $20 for it, which is absolutely crazy. Also it's with free shipping and also directly from the manufacturer who makes this controller essentially. And also in this listing, as you see, you can also get in pretty much any color. Also probably I will manage to get some extra coupons you can use on AliExpress to bring this price down even further. For this price, I think it's absolutely insane what we are getting. Now let's check out everything we get. First, inside the box we have this very nice controller. So over here I have the green version. Also we have a quick manual on how to use it. Also our Type-C cable that we can use to charge or also connect maybe to a PCs and play in wired mode as well. And also we have our wireless adapter as well. So this controller can actually be used in many different ways, either from Bluetooth using this adapter if you maybe connect it to a PC, or again wired mode as well. And when it comes to design, I think it looks absolutely awesome. So we get incredibly nice joysticks on this one. As you see also on the top, they also have this tiny bit textured grip here as well. So that when you actually play these, yes, they actually feel very nice indeed. Also very nice pad here. Also I would say this controller also is fairly silent as well. And these buttons are over here. I see also actually look very nice indeed. And we have our power button here. Also we have vibrations as well on this controller obviously. And we have various triggers here. And also these also appear actually very decent. And we have our Type-C over here that we can use to charge it or again simply play in wired mode. And here we have our pairing button as well. On the bottom also you see we have this switch here to switch from the Bluetooth or the 2.4 so to use with the wireless adapter essentially that it comes with. So when it comes to build quality, yeah, I think this looks absolutely amazing. Also, what's absolutely great about this controller, it's supported by pretty much any system. We can even connect to a phone as well. So if you want, for example, connect to a phone, make sure to actually turn it in this Bluetooth mode. Then let's turn it on. Okay, and to connect it, we have to actually press in this pairing button. So it's actually a bit tricky to press in. So simply press and hold it a bit. And then let's go to our Bluetooth settings in our phone. And as you see in the available device we have this controller here. Yep, pair. And as you see it's connected. So very easy. And I find this controller absolutely amazing. For example, if you want to play some kind of racing games. So for that purpose I would give it like 10 out of 10. Also, this controller is absolutely great if you also maybe want to play some kind of shooter games or also maybe some multiplayer online games where you actually need advantage over other players. So essentially if you actually use this controller, again you will pretty much like beat everyone else in the multiplayer games as well. And when it comes to features, it's actually loaded to the brim. First we actually get Hall effect joysticks and also the triggers themselves. So on the previous version we actually didn't have actually Hall effect. So essentially what that means is not only the joysticks and the triggers actually of like very decent quality and they feel absolutely fantastic, but also the long-term durability also will be actually much better than on the previous version. Also we have ultra low latency as well on this controller, so again mega fast, and yeah, even for the best games it will be absolutely perfect. And also when it comes to battery life, also you see it's pretty much like top class. So in this wireless mode, essentially if you actually use a wireless adapter, almost like 20 hours, but if you actually use a Bluetooth, so maybe if you want to play it with a phone, so we're getting essentially like 32 hours. And when it comes to recharging times, it only takes a bit under 2 hours, I think. So yeah, when it comes to battery life, so yeah, can't really beat this at all. Also, it's absolutely great. We can very easily connect it to a PC or laptop as well and play pretty much any PC game as well. So yeah, absolutely awesome. However, when it comes to negatives, I would say that the included lead is definitely way too short. So you see, literally it's maybe only like 1 meter in length. So what the hell is this? So why couldn't they actually include like normal size the cable? But again, I'm really just nitpicking. We can pretty much use any Type-C. And overall, is the new Ultimate 2C controller actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, if you are looking for extremely affordable controller that still actually has got insanely good build quality, also top of the line specs, so essentially we get actually very nice Hall effect joysticks on this thing, also very nice battery life, and also comfort, also when used, also is like really decent. So for this price, I have no idea how they can even produce this thing. So yeah, absolutely crazy actually. So what we are getting here. And again, if you want to get this controller for the cheapest price possible, simply check out the special discount links in the description. Again, this actually is with free shipping and directly from the manufacturer who makes this. Again, also check out those extra coupons. I will probably include some that you can use to bring this price down even further. For this price, yeah, this is pretty much impossible to beat. Anyway, good luck.